Hi friends, my name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class we will learn how to how to do the concatenation of two strings. So concatenation of how to do the concatenation of two strings. So concatenation means, for example, if a string Achyut and another string Anya. So when we concatenate Achyut and Anya, so what will be the output? Concatenation means adding both of the things, adding both the two strings. So this will be the concatenation, like something adding, like adding to the first string. So actually is the first string and a second string. So we are adding. That is called concatenation. Like merging two strings. So that is called concatenation. So let us comment this. So I hope you got it. What is concatenation? So like we have to take two strings. So first of all, we have to write import java dot util dot star scanner x is equal to new scanner system dot in. String str1 is equal to sc dot next line. So two strings. So as I told you, first string we have to use sc dot next line. String str2 is equal to sc dot next line. So we have to concatenate system dot out dot println. So str1 plus, so plus makes concatenation. So in between we have to use this quotes, double quotes. So then only it will be concatenated. So str2. So the str1 is this one and str2 is this one. So we are simply concatenating like we are concatenating these two strings. I hope you got it. So in between we have to use plus symbol. So plus space plus second string, second input. So it's a simple program. So concatenation means plus, we will use plus and double quotes plus str2. The first one is Achyut. And second one is Anya. So see Achyut Anya. Let's run this program again. Let us take ABC and DEF. So what is the output? ABCDEF. See here. ABCDEF. So this is the online compare, right? So that's why it's coming like this. So when you try it in the normal Java, like you try it in the notepad, you'll get the side by side. I hope you got it, how to write the concatenation. So concatenation is simple. It's plus symbol. So in between we have to use double quotes when we concatenate any two strings. So I hope you got it, what is concatenation. And learn about the concatenation. So if you like this video, please like it and share to your friends, and please subscribe my channel and share to your friends. So, and press the bell icon. It's the most important thing. So you will get the notification whenever I post in the YouTube. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.